Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. I just went to the flea market, got some tools, I got some axes, I got like 4 axes here and a bunch of other tools and miscellaneous stuff. First off, I got this lakeside hatchet here with the nail puller and the hammerhead on the back side. I paid $3 for that one. This one, I paid $5 for this one. It's a Trojan. I paid $5. I've never seen this name before, so the guy wanted 8. I was able to get it for 5, so got a pretty nice handle on it. It's pretty sturdy. It's a Craftsman hatchet, and I got this for $3 as well. Craftsman with the circle logo there. Pretty beat up. This one was kind of interesting. Another one I paid $3 for. I couldn't find any markings except for this B here. And it looks like there's something here. I can't make it out. It almost looks like 2 X's there. There's something here. But as far as any markings, on the other side, nothing. Just kind of some pitting. It was interesting, this edge is, if you can see it, I mean, this axe must have never been used because it's so dull. But it's kind of raised up, so I never seen that before. I don't know if you're supposed to sharpen through that or just sharpen up this edge here. So let me know if any of you guys know about that. I probably shouldn't have got this. I paid $2. It's a true temper, rock masonry hammer or whatever, but it was so chewed up on the back side, and I pretty much will buy anything true temper, but maybe I shouldn't have got this. It's just too chewed up. There's the handle's all jacked up. And $5 for this big clamp here. Big C clamp. I believe it's Cincinnati Tool Co. Super clamp number 42. All right. Got these calipers for $3. Well, these are pretty cool. I actually cleaned them up a little bit. There was some paint and stuff on the top here, so they look a little bit better. But I don't know how to use these. I usually these are my go-to ones right here that are very helpful. But I'll have to learn how to use this type right here. But it's Mitutoyo. I can't read that. Mitutoyo. Okay. But it's very sturdy feeling and very smooth quality tool here. And a couple of things. I was really glad to get these. These were really cool. Armstrong Blackhawk combo here. I was trying to think of the type of wrench this is, and I forgot. I don't know, something offset, something. I don't know. You guys can. I know you guys know. So go ahead and shout it out if you know what type of wrenches these are. For getting into hard places, I think. But yeah, really cool. Got the model number down here. These are from like late 1920s, 1928, 1929. Buck a piece. You can see these same ones in Alloy Artifacts. Actually, no, you'll see this one in Alloy Artifacts. Not this one. Alright, another cool find here, which I was really happy to get these for $1 a piece. Got these shifting knobs here. Hurst shifting knobs. Hopefully I can clean that up. This one is pretty jacked up. Looks like it's stripped in here, and maybe somebody drilled through here to kind of keep the knob attached in there, so they put a screw in here, so it kind of messes the value up on that one. But this one's looks to be like it's in decent condition still. And oh yeah, for $1 a piece, I was really happy to get those. This was one I got on my way out. I bought for $1. It's a lure. The reason why I bought it is because it was signed on the bottom. And let's see here. Fred Arbogast, whatever. Yeah, so it's signed, so I went ahead and picked it up. And I always end up picking up a tape measure. I've got quite a few tape measures now. Probably got at least 20, maybe more, I don't know. But Atlantic white tape. This one was interesting. I found it in the bottom of my backpack, and I had forgot about it. I don't even remember where I got this. It was just in there. I didn't get it today, but somewhere in the past. So here it is. Looks like SCFA 1. It's brass, has 30 on the back. I don't know. I'm thinking maybe a hydrant wrench or a valve wrench of some sort. If any of you guys know, let me know. And last is some free stuff I got. This is all, I just picked it up. It's like, what the heck? There's a manual, Austin Marina manual, old car manual, 1974, I believe. Okay, so now I got these last ones to go through, and it's just nothing. I don't even know why I picked them up, but this is a bike part for Shimano. They're both Shimano, but this is a bike pedal. This is I don't even know. Yeah, it was free. And then these are like some sort of vintage ski bindings. And that was free, so what the heck? I might as well take it. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.